And I want to quickly say this, as this is one of the reasons I'm making this video. A tree that houses so many birds, when the tree falls down, all the birds will fly away and look for an available tree that will house them. That is the same way success is in life. If you're successful, a lot of persons will come to benefit from your success. But when there is failure, a lot of persons will not be there to associate with failure. Let this guide you. Think this deeply. And whatever you do in life, be cautious of your actions and be guided accordingly. See you in our next video for tomorrow updates. Thank you.